Welcome to Erin Park Toyota Service Department. Our experienced and knowledgeable team is dedicated to provide exceptional service and ensure every guest leaves with a smile. At Erin Park Toyota, we use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure your Toyota maintenance lasts a lifetime. We have Toyota-trained technicians to ensure all your car needs are looked after with the utmost skill and care. Whether it's routine maintenance or major repairs, we have a skillful team to get the job done. While your car is getting serviced, you can relax in our guest lounge area, which offers a quiet space to enjoy your time accompanied by a complimentary beverage to all our guests. Enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi for both work and personal use throughout the dealership. One of the services we provide is a complimentary shuttle service for our guests so your day keeps going without any interruptions. Our knowledgeable team is committed to ensuring your Toyota runs smoothly for years to come. Book your appointment today and experience service the Erin Park Toyota way.